It's a good soundtrack for them.
Yeah.
No, Skippy.
Butters. Look at his face.
What are you doing, Butters? Butters.
Hey, kitty. His eyes are all glowing in the video.
It's because they have more rods than cones.
Hey, Petey. Look at him looking at me. He's freaked out by the
What's
light.
he doing?
I don't know. It looks like
Butters looks like he's annoyed. Okay.
It's like he's freaked out by the light.
You
Look
can't
at
see. I
him.
think he's blinded. It's too much light for him. Butters is unamused. Butters is entirely unamused. He's like, I don't care. Zoom into him.
Cat in the headlights.
That was cute. Bailey.
Look at
What was that?
That was the world's clumsiest cat. Look at him looking at this light. The way he's looking at it, it's like freaking him out. He's so cute.
Oh, Bailey, you're a cute kitty.
Stop it.